What's up, everyone? It's your boy Travis here, and welcome back to the Altcoin Travis 19 channel. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day so far. This is where you subscribe for all of the latest Bitcoin and altcoin news and Bitcoin and altcoin price updates and reactions, and occasionally stock news. Now let's get into today's juicy topic, buy the dip in Elrond eGLD. Elrond is down about 3% in the last 24 hours, sitting at $134 at the time of recording of this video. And in my opinion, I think this is a massive opportunity of our lifetime to accumulate Elrond at these cheaper prices. I think eGLD can hit prices from $5,000 up to $10,000 this bull run, and I believe that due to the strong fundamentals of eGLD. eGLD combines both Bitcoin and Ethereum economics. When we're talking about Bitcoin economics, eGLD has a capped supply of 20.4 million eGLD, just like with Bitcoin, how you have a capped supply of 21 million Bitcoin, hence the name eGLD with digital gold. And so I love that. Now, when you're looking at the Ethereum economics, Elrond can do everything that Ethereum can do, but better. You have arguably the fastest blockchain out there. Elrond can process from 15,000 up to 100,000 transactions per second, and this is due to 5-second latency. And Elrond, you can also delegate your eGLD to the network to earn staking rewards. And with Elrond, another big thing that I love is so many commits and developers are working on the blockchain. And that to me tells me everything I need to know, because, you know, people are going where they want to build on top of. And Elrond right now, I think, is the best blockchain to be building on top of. The team is amazing and very hardworking. Elrond also has the Meyer Wallet, which you can download from your local app store. One of the big goals for Elrond is to help onboard the next billion users into crypto. And as we know, a lot of people in the world do not have access to a bank account. And so to be able to make this easily and accessible, you know, with so many people having smartphones, they can download the Meyer Wallet and already be immersed into the crypto space. And so I think that is so huge for mass adoption of crypto. And I think Elrond really will be leading the way in that. And I think, you know, that could potentially bring Elrond, you know, in the future, long term. I think eGLD could have the potential to, you know, overtake Bitcoin's market cap, because yeah, I think Elrond, you know, is a better technology than Bitcoin. Of course, you know, Bitcoin is always going to have that narrative, digital gold, and it's always going to be, I think, you know, one of the most valuable cryptocurrencies. But in long-term future, I think eGLD has that potential to potentially overtake Bitcoin in market. The Meyer Wallet is also a very user-friendly app, and so, you know, it makes it very simple. You have all of your features on the app, and so say, you know, for someone like your grandma, you know, they can download it and yeah, be able to, you know, transact with Elrond Gold right away. Now, another thing that Elrond has on the Meyer Wallet is you have this thing called a hero cash tag. And so as we know with Cash App, you know, you send someone money to their Cash App. Well, with the Elrond hero cash tag, it's basically just like that, except, you know, you'd be sending your eGLD. And, you know, what I like about this is that, you know, in crypto, when we're sending transactions, you know, we have to copy, say, that long blockchain address, you know, and if you miss a letter, that can be devastating, because, yeah, then the transaction is not going to go through. So, you know, I think with the hero cash tag, it makes it, you know, way simple. You can, you know, just tell someone your cash tag, and yeah, they'll be able to send the money to you right away. So I think that's, yeah, a really awesome feature, you know, that Elrond built into the Meyer. So again, not financial advice, but I think this is such a massive opportunity of a lifetime to buy eGLD at $144. Just imagine if we could go back in time when Bitcoin was trading at, say, $144 after having gone above $200. I know all of us would take that trade in an absolute instant. we would buy Bitcoin at $144. Now just think, with Elrond, we have that second opportunity again, but this time I think it is a better opportunity because Elrond is better technology than so get your eGLD now, because once we start moving again, you know, that move from 100 above $200 was very fast, but then we had a very healthy correction. And, you know, so I think the next leg up in the price of eGLD is going to move very quickly. So make sure you got your eGLD bags packed and ready to go before the train leaves the station. And with that being said, everyone, that is going to wrap up today's video. And if you enjoyed this video and made it all the way through to the end of the video and you got some value out of it, please smash up that like button. I really appreciate all your support, everyone. You have been such a supportive community, liking the video, commenting on the video, so thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It makes me so happy, and I can't thank you all enough. And let me know if you would like down below in that comment section. Would love to get your thoughts and perspectives on Elrond Gold. You know, what prices do you think eGLD can hit this bull run? Are you accumulating at these cheaper prices? So we'd love to hear all your thoughts, everyone. And as always, until next time, we'll see you all back here on the Altcoin Travis 19 channel. Have a fantastic rest of your day, everyone. Take care and strive for greatness. We'll see you later.